हेलो फ्रेंड्स, डेमोग्राफिक और सेंसस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है यूपीपीसीएस का। और इसमें पूरे यूपीपीसीएस आरओ एआरओ और मेंस सबके कंपाइलेशन है पीवाईक्यू का। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। डेमोग्राफिक 1, हु वाज द फर्स्ट टू यूज द वर्ड मेगापोलिस? आंसर है जीन कॉटमैन। एज पर सेंसस 2011 द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ स्टेट विद डिक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी, तो आंसर होगा वेस्ट बंगाल, देन बिहार, फिर केरला, उत्तर प्रदेश। एज पर सेंसस 2011 द परसेंटेज ऑफ इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन इन द वर्ल्ड्स पॉपुलेशन इज, आंसर है 17.31. According to provisional figure of census 2011, the percentage of women in India's population is, answer है 48.46. According to the provisional figure of 2011 census, the percentage of India's population in the world population is, answer है 17.5%. सेंसस के हिसाब से परसेंटेज ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया इज बिलो 35 ईयर्स ऑफ एज, आंसर 65%. द परसेंटेज ऑफ पीपल बिलो 14 ईयर्स ऑफ एज, आंसर होगा 31%. द परसेंटेज ऑफ पीपल इन द एज ग्रुप ऑफ 20 एंड अबव इज, आंसर है 59.29%. द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया एज पर estimation of United Nation in 2018 is 1,354 million. India introduced a new population policy in, आंसर होगा 2000. The dependency ratio in India is declining because, answer है population of 15 to 59 years is relatively high. About 30% of India's areas lies in the three states of, answer Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. The first census in India during British period took place during the regime of, answer है Lord Mayo. The state of India whose population dwelling in slum is maximum, answer Maharashtra. As per census 2011, the ratio of rural population is highest in the state of, answer Himachal Pradesh. Largest number of scheduled tribe was recorded in the census of India 2011 in, answer Madhya Pradesh. Lowest percentage scheduled tribe की है यूपी में. The following state of India ranks second in term of population and ranked third in term of area, answer Maharashtra. As per census 2011, the place of Uttarakhand in term of population is, answer 20. Based on interim data of census 2011, correct descending order of the four most populous states is, answer Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal. As per interim data of 2011 census, the following state is the most populous, answer Uttar Pradesh. As per the data of 2011 census, second most populous state है Maharashtra. The percentage of India's population live in Uttar Pradesh is about 16%. The state which has recorded decrease in population, answer Nagaland. The state who has the largest rural population, answer Uttar Pradesh. The most populous state in India is, answer Uttar Pradesh. The following slum dweller population in the following cities maximum, answer Delhi. Correct descending order of the following district of Uttar Pradesh in terms of geographical area: Varanasi, then Gautam Budh Nagar, then Bagpat, then Sant Ravidas Nagar. According to the census 2011 in the following district of UP, the number of people living in rural area are maximum, answer Allahabad. Largest district in terms of population of Uttar Pradesh is, answer Allahabad. As per census 2011, correct descending order of the following district of Uttar Pradesh in terms of population is, answer Allahabad, Muradabad, Ghaziabad, Lucknow. According to provisional figure of census 2011, district of Uttar Pradesh has the lowest population, answer Mahoba. As per the provisional figure of census 2011, literacy rate in India is, answer 74.04%. As per the provisional figure of census 2011, female literacy in the country is about, answer 65.5%. According to the provisional figure of census 2011, the gap between male literacy rate or female literacy rate in India is that of 16.68%. The effective literacy rate in India is calculated by, answer population above the age of 7 years. Literacy rate was minimum in 2011 in the state of, answer Bihar. According to census 2011, the highest difference in male and female literacy rate in the state, answer Uttar Pradesh. As per census 2011, literacy rate of UP is, answer 67.68%. The female literacy rate is highest in the Union Territory, answer Lakshadweep. The following state of India has recorded the maximum increase in literacy rate during 2001 to 2011, answer Bihar. The minimum difference between the male and female literacy rate in the 2011 census in the state of, answer Meghalaya. स्टेट वेयर फीमेल लिटरेसी रेट इज द हाईएस्ट एंड लोवेस्ट रिस्पेक्टिवली, तो हाईएस्ट है केरला में और लोवेस्ट है राजस्थान में. एज पर द सेंसस 2011, लिटरेसी रेट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट वाज मैक्सिमम, आंसर मणिपुर. As per Census 2011, literacy rate of Uttar Pradesh during 2001 to 2011 increased by answer 11.45%. As per Census 2011, literacy rate of the following union territories lowest answer Dadar and Nagar Haveli. As per 2011 census, the female literacy rate in Uttar Pradesh was 57.20%. The lowest female literacy rate according to the 2011 census in the state answer Sikkim. The following district of UP has the highest literacy rate as per the provisional figure of 2011 census. Answer Ghaziabad. Literacy rate of the following district of UP is highest as per census 2011. Answer Kanpur. As per census 2011, the correct descending order of the four districts with maximum average literacy is answer Gautam Budh Nagar, Kanpur City, Aureya, Etawah. According to the provisional figure of census 2011, the district having the highest literacy rate in India is answer Sarchip, Mizoram. The following district of UP has the lowest female literacy rate as per 2011 census. Answer Shravasti. At present, India's population growth is passing through the phase of answer high growth rate with definite sign of slowing down. According to Census of India 2011, the percentage of population growth in the country during the period 2001 to 11 was answer 17.70%. The following census decade was a minimum percentage of population change marked answer 2001 to 2011. The following census year into India, the highest percentage change in population was marked answer होगा 1981. During the following decade, the population growth of India was maximum. तो ये थी 1961 से 1971 के बीच में. In the following census year, decadal population growth was negative. तो ये था 1921 में. As per Economic Survey 2016-17, तो ये पुराना क्वेश्चन है. According to 2011 census, the lowest population growth in the last decade in the state answer Nagaland. The following state is ranked second in terms of decadal population growth. Answer Arunachal Pradesh. The state with the lowest percentage increase in total population during the period 2001 to 2011 is answer Nagaland. The following state had experienced negative growth of population in 2011. Answer Nagaland. The minimum decadal population growth in 2011 was recorded in answer Andhra Pradesh. During the decade of 2001 to 2011, highest rate of population growth was in answer Bihar. The following state recorded the highest decadal growth rate of population according to 2011 census. आंसर मध्य प्रदेश. आप लोग देख सकते हैं पूरे यूपी पीसीएस के पीवाईक्यू का कंपाइलेशन है, आरओ का मेंस का. इसके बाहर से कुछ भी नहीं आएगा, इसीलिए मेरी रैपिड रिवीजन सीरीज की प्लेलिस्ट जरूर चेक करिए और घटना चक्र जीएस पॉइंटर की भी. During the last two decades of the 20th century, 1981 to 2001, the highest population growth percentage change was recorded in answer Nagaland. The following statement regarding Uttar Pradesh, according to the provisional figure of 2011 census, is not correct. Answer is decadal growth rate is 18.4%. According to the recent statistic related to the 2011 census, which community in India has the lowest sex ratio? Answer Sikh. In the following census year, sex ratio in India was 946. Answer 1951. According to the census 2011, male-female ratio in India is 1000 is to 940. Child 0 to 6 years. Sex ratio in India since 1961 is decreasing gradually. The highest child sex ratio, answer होगा हरियाणा. Minimum sex ratio in India is found in answer Damandiu. In the following state of India, sex ratio as per census 2011 is more than national ratio. Answer Jharkhand. As per census 2011, the state with lowest sex ratio is answer Haryana. During 2001 and 2011, the sex ratio in Uttar Pradesh has improved by answer होगा 10 female per 1000 male. In the following state, number of female is more than per 1000 male. As per census 2011, answer Kerala. Demographic 2 देख लेते हैं. As per provisional figure of census 2011, sex ratio in India is lowest in answer Damandiu. The following state union territory has the lowest number of female on per 1000 male. Answer Damandiu. Sex ratio in the following state is highest. Answer Kerala. Where sex ratio is lowest in India, union territory पूछ रहे हैं. आंसर दमनदीव. तो दमनदीव का तो देख चुके हैं. As per census 2011, the sex ratio of men/women in Uttar Pradesh is 912 by 1000. According to 2011 census, the lowest child sex ratio both in rural and urban area. Answer Haryana. The following state is ranked economically at the top, but the lowest on the basis of sex ratio. Answer Haryana. The following district of India has recorded the highest sex ratio as per 2011 census. Answer Mahi, Puducherry. Population density in India. Answer has been increasing gradually. As per census 2011, the population density of the following state is minimum. Answer Arunachal Pradesh. The following state has the highest density of population according to the census of India 2011. Answer Bihar. लोएस्ट पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी है राजस्थान की अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोविजनल फिगर ऑफ सेंसस. पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज लेस देन 100. आंसर मिजोरम. विद रेफरेंस टू पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग असेंडिंग ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द स्टेट. तो गुजरात, फिर कर्नाटक, असम, फिर हरियाणा. डेंसिटी ऑफ यूनियन टेरिटरी इज लोवेस्ट. अंडमान निकोबार की लोवेस्ट है. इंडियाज ग्रॉस फर्टिलिटी रेट 2.4% था. As per sample registration survey, India's total fertility rate, according to Habitat, was 2.3. Largest, the target to reduce infant mortality rate during 11th five-year plan was 28 per 1,000 live birth. Infant mortality rate in state was minimum. Answer Kerala. The following in state had lower infant mortality rate. Answer Tamil Nadu. ये सेंसस के हिसाब से. एज पर सेंसस 2011 द परसेंटेज ऑफ अर्बन पॉपुलेशन इन टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया वॉज 31.16. As per latest estimate of United Nations, the percentage of urban population in total population of India was 34%. As per census 2011, the number of census town in India is 7,935. As per population census of 2011, in which of the following state group the percentage of urban population is high, but the number of slum are comparatively low. Answer Gujarat, Kerala, and Karnataka. As per census 2011, the percentage of urban population of the following state was minimum. Answer Himachal Pradesh. The following state of India has the highest urban density. Answer West Bengal. The following landlocked state of India, the percentage of urban population is highest. Answer Punjab. Which of the following state of India has the lowest percentage of urban population relative to the gross population? Answer Himachal Pradesh. In the state of India, percentage of urban population is maximum. Answer Goa. The following state does not have a million plus urban agglomeration. Answer Odisha. As per census, the percentage of urbanization is lowest. Answer Bihar. The following state of India, which one has the lowest level of urbanization? Answer West Bengal. Which one is the least urbanized? Answer West Bengal. The India's most urbanized state? Answer Tamil Nadu. As per census 2011 of India, the pair of the following cities show maximum population. Answer Mumbai and Delhi. As per India's census 2011, ranked at last in the list of million population cities is answer Kota. As per the census of 2011, the number of million cities in India is answer 53. According to the census 2011, the number of 10 Lakhi millionaire town in Uttar Pradesh is answer 7. In the view of Redfield and Singer, the process of primary urbanization is characterized by the development of answer folk tradition. T.K. Uman has described the difference of urban families on the basis of the changing values and changing pattern in the means of income, on the basis of power structure, on the basis of urban social environment and social ecology. As per the census of India, in which of the following size, classes and urban settlement is classified of its population between 10,000 and 19,999? Answer class 4. According to the 2012 statistic of UN, the following has the highest population. Answer Dominica. Africa's most populous country is answer Nigeria. The following country ranked 5th in the world both in terms of total area and total population. Answer Brazil. The following continent had the lowest population density in 2011. Answer South America. The following countries has the lowest population density. Answer Mongolia. The most densely populated country in the East Asia is answer South Korea. The most densely populated country of South Asia is answer Maldives. The following cities of the world has the least population density. Answer St. Petersburg. The following mega cities of the world, cities with a population of more than 1 crore, had the highest density of population. Answer Manila. The following represent the correct sequence of sex ratio in descending order. Answer Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, China. The following country has the most adaptive sex ratio. Answer Finland. The pattern of population growth is a gradual change that has occurred over a long period of time is called answer demographic transition. According to UNDESA, the percentage of world total population is currently living in urban area. Answer 55. From among the following SAARC country, the most urbanized is answer Bhutan. Most urbanized SAARC country is answer Pakistan. तो ये ऑप्शन भूटान नहीं होगा. द मोस्ट अर्बेनाइज कॉन्टिनेंट इज आंसर नॉर्थ अमेरिका. द मोस्ट अर्बेनाइज कंट्री इन वेस्ट एशिया इज आंसर कुवैत. द लेवल ऑफ अर्बनाइजेशन ऑफ अर्बन पॉपुलेशन 55% मान देते लगभग. अकॉर्डिंग टू एन एस्टिमेट द ईयर बाय विच 70% ऑफ वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन विल बी रिड्यूस टू सिटीज. आंसर 2050. द फॉलोइंग इज नोन एज एक्सलरेशन स्टेज इन द अर्बनाइजेशन कर्व. आंसर सेकेंड स्टेज. Literacy rate of which union territory of India was maximum? Answer Lakshadweep. Pyramid of the population is known as dependent population in the group 0 to 14 years. The following motto was used for 2011 census. Our census, our future. First regular census हुआ था इंडिया में 1881 में. Population of which age group is included in demographic dividend? Answer 15 to 60 year. The following union territory has the lowest population density? Answer Andaman Nicobar. The following state ranks second in terms of literacy and urbanization? Answer Mizoram. The following state has started the death census? Answer Karnataka. About 80% of world population is not protected by social security. The following decade is worthy of being called decade of employment, less growth in the history of Indian employment. Answer 2005 to 2015. Under the National Literacy Mission, the threshold literacy rate was set at 75%. The target year for this was 2000. The following country officially adopted the family planning program first? Answer India. The following is not a part of demographic characteristic of population. The following expresses the occupational structure of population. Answer distribution of working population in different occupation. The following is not a counter effect of population growth in an economy. Answer increase in size of working population. According to Malthus, the most effective measure of population control is? Answer birth control. The following is related to the migration principle. Answer Lee. The World Population Day commemorate the day on which the estimated world population became 5 billion. Answer 11 July 1987. As per census 2011, the following is state rank at second in term of literacy and urbanization. ये देख चुके हैं मिजोरम. The highest proportion of rural population, ये भी देख चुके हैं हिमाचल प्रदेश. Under the National Population Policy 2000, the goal to attain population stabilization has been raised from 2045 to 2070. Family planning program start हुआ था इंडिया में 1952 में. Population Day celebrate होता है 11 जुलाई को. When population expert refer to the possible demographic bonus, तो ये है a surge in population in the productive age group. Census projection report shows that India is one of the youngest nation in the world. So average age Indian की 29 years. The goal of National Population Policy 2000 is to bring the population to a stable state by 2045. So ये हम लोगों ने देख लिया है. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है तो प्लीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब भी. थैंक यू सो मच.